In front of me is POCO C71 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard. Now you need to click on this icon of a microphone at the top right corner of it. If it's not visible, select this gear. Hit voice typing in Gboard settings and make sure this switcher is on. Then go back and click on your microphone. If you never used it before, select while using the app in the pop-up and then start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, click on the same microphone. You can also click on it and tap on the little icon right next to it. This way you will see this strip over here. Thanks to it you can use voice typing and delete your text on the go. Thanks to this icon over here, you can also access keyboard options and voice typing options by tapping on those three lines at the bottom left corner. To go back to standard keyboard, click on this icon of a keyboard, also at the bottom left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!